All right. Hello. My name is Tom.
My name is Melinders.
And we're talking kind of quietly because there's a lot of people walking about. But as you can see, we're at the Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon, show it off.
Grand Canyon. Canyon of greatness.
And so this is a vlog, guys. I don't know. We might do some more from our vacation spots. But we're on our way to California. So you're not going to see a lot of videos in the next coming weeks. We get back in early July. And like right when we were leaving, we got some new subs. So we'd like to say hi and thank you for subscribing.
Woo!
And I don't know, it's been a great trip so far. We've been in the car a lot.
A lot. We drove like 14 hours yesterday. We've driven up to 10 hours today. So we've been across a bunch of states. We went to Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico. We're in Arizona right now. We're going to be in Las Vegas tonight.
And so I don't know, we'll pick different spots to shoot these from. We just wanted to say hey to you guys and let you know what was going on so you didn't think that we had just stopped or anything like that. No, we're just on vacation. We're on vacation for about 3 weeks, and so once we get back, the videos will continue. We might talk to you guys again later. I don't know if there's anything else to add.
You definitely should keep checking this out though, because if we do this, like we're gonna be in some amazing, beautiful spots. We've already seen some amazing stuff, and so definitely worth checking out. We know it's not videos, but I mean, if you've never been these places or whatever, we have maybe a different experience. So check it out.
So we're gonna say bye and give you guys one more shot of the canyon. Wait, you're trying to get around.
Sorry, I messed that up. That was my fault.
All right.
Here you go.
And we'll do that.
Panorama of
And Melinda will say bye and bye, guys.